the question of striking health workers. As you are aware, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused untold suffering to all Kenyans and disrupted services across all sectors of our economy. However, the ongoing strike by healthcare workers only worsens an already bad situation and must be addressed to ensure that Kenyans do not suffer more from the effects of COVID-19 as well as other diseases. In this regard, officials from the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Labor and Social Protection, and the Council of Governors have been holding consultative meetings with union officials to deliberate on the ongoing industrial action by various cadres of health workers. The Ministry of Labor and Social Protection alone has had more than 6 meetings with union leaders as part of the conciliation effort to resolve the situation. We take note that most healthcare workers are not on strike. Workers in all national referral hospitals and those working in majority of county facilities are still going on. We applaud all the workers for their efforts in the fight against the coronavirus disease as well as the general health effort. And I want to say a special thank you. I want to say a special thank you to all those who have refused to heed of the call of abandoning Kenyans at a time when they need them most. Especially now, at a time when we are heading for Christmas, a time of happiness, a time when families get together, a time of forgiveness, a time when there is reconciliation. And I wish to say that for those of you, for those in the healthcare fraternity who continue to work and give service to people in a truly Florence Nightingale sort of approach, I really thank you. And I hope that God will reward you, even if man does not.